What's up? Brian Steer, Blue Homes Real Estate, jumping on for this month's edition of our market update. It'll be for the Wildwoods, New Jersey, as usual. We'll kick it off in North Wildwood and head south. So, North Wildwood for October of 2022. There are currently 52 properties on the market. We had 21 new listings. We had 17 sell. Average sale price of those homes that sold was $576,975. List to sale price ratio at 94.65, and an average days on the market of 169. All right, cruising into Wildwood for October 2022. Currently have 115 properties available for sale. We had 28 new come to the market. 11 sold, so a big jump in the inventory in Wildwood this month. Average sale price of those homes sold of $412,597. List to sale ratio 99.46, and an average days on the market of 77. Jumping into West Wildwood for October 2022. Currently 9 on the market. We had 4 list and nothing closed, so nothing to tell you from there on. Moving to the Crest for October 2022. Currently 57 on the market. You had 23 come to market. 17 properties sold. Average sale price of those sold, still a big number at $690,882. List to sale price ratio at 93.71. An average days on the market of 99. Lastly, we'll hop into Diamond Beach for October of 22. Currently 4 properties on the market in Diamond Beach. We had 0 new listings. We had 1 sold, so we're not really going to have averages here, even though it says it. The one sold for $744,900. List to sale ratio on that was 95.99, and it was on the market for 79 days. So, to wrap it up for October 2022 here in the Wildwoods, we are still low inventory in North Wildwood, Wildwood Crest. They have jumped some. North Wildwood had been in the 40s for a handful of months. Now they're in the mid 50s. Wildwood's still hovering just over 100. Wildwood Crest was in the 60s. It's down a bit in the 50s. Diamond Beach and West Wildwood remain the same, but those are always fairly low inventory markets because they're very, very small areas. Biggest change I'm seeing is the price appreciation has stopped completely, which we talked about before, and now we're seeing people coming down on their prices. Maybe people that were pricing ahead of the market before, realizing that the prices are not going to get there. We're seeing some list to sale ratios drop below 95%, where for a while we didn't see them drop below 98%. For a few months there, they weren't barely ever below 100%. So we're starting to see a little bit more of that. Average days on the market is getting a little bit longer. Again, some of those people that maybe listed anticipating where the market was going and just didn't get there are now having to readjust. So those properties are staying on the market a little bit longer. Looks like the Fed is committed to another rate hike in November, so we'll see what that does. The rates keep getting higher. At some point, the prices are going to have to push down so people can still afford things. Because as the rates jump, somebody that was a $500,000 buyer at 3%, at 8%, they're more of a $250,000 buyer. So huge difference. Changes their dynamics of who can buy what and when. We'll have to see what the price hike does. We'll see if it brings back more inventory, see what it does to demand. But for now, we'll keep plugging along. If you have any questions, if this was helpful at all, drop me a comment, shoot me a message, and I'll answer it. Otherwise, I will see you next month. Thanks for watching. Brian Steer, Blue Homes Real Estate.